Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the Formlabs Form 4, a cutting-edge resin 3D printer that promises to revolutionize professional-grade printing. Let's get right into it. The Form 4 builds upon the success of its predecessor, leveraging masked SLA technology for faster, more precise prints. Its design remains sleek and user-friendly, featuring a familiar orange lid and a redesigned resin cartridge system. The machine's footprint is compact, fitting seamlessly into any workspace. What's impressive is the switch to MSLA from LFS, enhancing speed without compromising on print quality. Moving on to features, the Form 4 integrates a low-force display print engine, utilizing a custom LCD and LED backlight system. This advancement allows for up to 4 times faster print speeds compared to its predecessor, achieving a maximum resolution of 50 microns for detailed, high-accuracy prints. We tested various materials, from standard V5 resins to specialized options like silicone and biocompatible materials, all handled with ease. Smart sensors ensure automatic resin dispensing, minimizing errors and enhancing workflow efficiency. Setting up the Form 4 is straightforward, thanks to the intuitive preform software. Whether you're prototyping or producing functional parts, this printer excels in versatility and reliability. Print quality is exceptional, with smooth surface finishes suitable for diverse applications, from medical models to mechanical prototypes. The Form 4 truly delivers on its promise of high-end production quality. In conclusion, the Formlabs Form 4 is a game-changer in the realm of resin 3D printing. Its speed, precision, and user-friendly design make it a standout choice for professionals looking to elevate their printing capabilities. That wraps up our review of the Formlabs Form 4. If you're interested in more tech reviews and product insights, be sure to subscribe to Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.